Bullish STEPN cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.71 and $3.22 by 2030. Market investigators accept GMT could reach $1.33 by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 30 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost forecast. On the whole, we should examine the fundamental presentation of this cash in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. STEPN, the primary NFT drive in view of the transition to procure idea, is a sound way of life application with social money in play to procure perspectives. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming engineers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking contest prior to getting a $5 million financing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository conveyance. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we inspect what is GMT. Also, STEPN specialized in principal investigation. We should check it out. What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The undertaking chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the third next in line and was the primary undertaking to coordinate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a great many clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high outflow cars. Then again, the social money part of STEPN means to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. STEPN utilizes a two-layered symbolic framework. GMT and GST are the two sorts of tokens accessible in the biological system, and each can be procured in an unexpected way. STEPN's application incorporates the accompanying GameFi highlights. Game mode. Since STEPN GMT token is still in beta, the main strategy accessible to clients is loan, foundation, and long-distance race modes. The other two game modes are right now creating and will be accessible soon. Sneakers. These non-fungible tokens have various characteristics, including accommodation, sturdiness, adequacy, and favorable luck. Clients can acquire in-game tokens by wearing shoes, which can be improved and modified by consuming green Satoshi token. Gems attachments. STEPN clients can get to certain jewels to upgrade the qualities of their shoes subsequent to arriving at a specific degree of shoes. The STEPN token's value expectation is undeniably founded on a nitty-gritty assessment of its value diagram and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the cryptographic money. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 mama line. Brokers utilize specialized examination to zero in on a resources exhibition, much of the time down to the moment on exchanging graphs, while basic exploration does the specific converse. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them an extensive information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. You have without a doubt heard the saying, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the key examination. Financial backers that stick to basic examination contend that the principal indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy cheap resources, this is a phenomenal strategy. STEPN is at present worth 37 cents USD. GMT has moved 2.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $52,165,744. STEPN is right now positioned 149 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $227,520,288 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. STEPN Value Forecast 2023. STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The GMT cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 56 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 53 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 45 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 94 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 75 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 83 cents. STEPN value forecast 2025 assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.33 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.21 and a low of $1.14 in 2025. STEPN value expectation 2026 assuming STEPN effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados. The GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.71, with a base cost of $1.52 and a typical cost of $1.59. STEPN value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.97 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.90 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $2.09. STEPN value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.35. On the off chance that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $2.46. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.28. STEPN value expectation 2029 while GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $2.65 and a yearly cost close above $2.84 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030 by 2030. STEPN will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $3.03 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.22, averaging out at $3.11.